Hey guys, what's up? I'm Cubims Prime, and I just got this game for the Switch, Star Wars Episode 1 Racer. And as you can see, it hasn't aged well, man. It's very blocky, the textures are muddy, but man, the game is very fun, I'm not gonna lie. It brings back memories back in the days when I had it on the computer, not the N64, I had it on the PC. And the thing that makes this game so great, and in my opinion it's better than F-Zero and Wipeout, because it's just the speed of the game, how fast it is, and the level design is very good, where it lets you branch into different routes of when you get further into the tracks later on when you unlock the tracks. But yeah, so let's take a look at the game, see how well it looks. So far it's very sharp. Like I said, the textures look really bad. I just wish this game was remade with the Unreal Engine, man. I don't know what's so hard about pouring in a few $1,000,000 to make it. You know, the design is there, the track layout is there. The only thing they need to do is just update it, you know. There's one guy on YouTube, there's a fan-made game of this on YouTube, and it looks really good. Imagine if that was the real thing, man. And I'm not saying it's a bad game. I think this game is really good, man. This game's a real good freaking racer, but it just aged very bad. I don't know how. It's just lazy to port this after what, 25 years, and they can't just do a remake on the Unreal Engine or some other engine. As you can see there is pop-up, and I know it's been there already, you know, but why they couldn't fix this issue of pop-up, I don't get it. I've seen other games where the pop-up is eliminated or reduced even more, but this is kind of like, no, well, it's not as bad as other games, but yeah, they could at least fix some of the pop-up, you know. But yeah, so far the game is great. Would I recommend this game? Yeah, I would recommend it. It's only like 15 bucks. Or 20. I think it was $20 actually, but no, actually, you know what, I think it was, yeah, it was like 15 bucks, because I remember I had some I put $20 on the e-store, and I bought a $3 game, and then the rest I had what, $15 or less. I think it's $14.99. So yeah, would I recommend it? Like I said earlier, yeah, I recommend it. It's a great game, man, especially on the Switch. It looks great. But I just wish they weren't lazy about it and remade this game. This game is one of those games that needs to be remade from the ground up, man. Okay, so that's all I wanted to say for now. I think it's a good game. It's worth picking up if you want to play it again, if you have no other way of playing it. I bought it just to support the developers. But yeah, it's worth picking up, man. 14 bucks is not bad at all. But I just wish earlier, like I said a few times, this would have been remade from the ground up. So yeah, thanks for watching, guys. You have a nice day, and just keep watching the video and enjoy it, and we'll let you decide whether you want it or not. So take care, guys. Have a nice day. Bye bye.